It's Tuesday. The scaffolders are turning up 2 days early, but I'm not going to complain because I've not been able to open my windows since we bought this house. So that'll be great. And I'm kind of keen to see what the roof and everything looks like without the scaffolds up. Slightly disjointed today because we were only in the house for a short time and then headed to Amersham. But something else exciting happened on Tuesday. Today we are having the measurements taken for the next gen far infrared heating. Finally, it's only taken 5 years to get to this point. You can also hear the scaffolding coming down in the background because they're very, very noisy. Goodbye, scaffolding. So we still need to get rid of the skip. That's coming in a couple of days. But it actually just looks like a normal house now. So that's something. He's stealing my sticks. Which...
Can't move it out of the way of my filling the green bin. You're gate crashing.
I am gate crashing.
Heavy-handed, hint, hint.
I also had to pull my very good stick out of the skip this morning because the scaffolders thought they were being helpful by throwing away a very good stick, which simply will not stand. So I pulled it back out. We're taking a break from the house to babysit our own cats, which means Jasmine Ty from Chesham, the best Ty, and cute husband who had to drive all the way facing the sun.
Oh yeah, that was a pain in the fundamentals.
Pixel, Mama missed you.
Apparently the feeling is not mutual.
Oh no, don't worry, we're not taking you home just yet. Oh,
Susie.
oh Mom.
Susie.
Oh Mom, leave me alone. I'm just living my best life with Grandma.
It's presumably a video of the least happy cat.
Are you the least happy cat? No.
Oh no, what a hard life.
Oh. Are you gonna come see us? Oh, who's the most beautiful baby in the whole world? Come see Mama, you silly muffin. Torment. Torment? Where are you going, you cute baby? He's like, I'm out. You've neglected me. Are you the most handsome baby? So handsome. Oh, yes, you are. Yeah, get in. Oh, hi. That was a bit close. That's a bit close. Good morning.